Sovereign citizens love to claim their state national status. They think that this makes them above the law or that they can somehow skate around the law, like this woman who thought that just because she was going to church, she didn't think she had to follow the traffic laws.
Good morning, Officer Langwise of the Naples Police Department. The reason I'm stopping you is failure to come to a complete stop at the stop sign.
Oh, I thought I did. I'm sorry.
It's okay. Is this your license and registration?
I no longer use a license. I only have my passport that I use. I'm a state national. I no longer have to abide by corporation's rules. And I have my documentation for that.
Okay.
100% sovereign citizen. The state national don't need the driver license. Hopefully the officer understands this right from the jump so the officer knows what they're going to be dealing with going forward, because it likely will progress with a whole bunch of paperwork.
Those were previous citations that were dismissed by Judge Crone.
Yeah, this doesn't show me anything of why you don't have to have a driver's license, though.
I'm a state national, so I'm exempt from the problem or what you guys do. I'm exempt from the...
Okay, this is definitely something that is going to get more confusing because it looks like the officer may be a novice with this. And when judges dismiss cases and this person names the judge, it has nothing to do with them being sovereign. It could be for an array of reasons. I have never seen it tethered to the sovereign laws that they cite in these stops.
Usually you have a card that states that, that they give you, that you're exemplary.
Yeah, they haven't sent it to me yet, but I have filed all the paperwork and it's been in place for 6 years.
It's been in place for what?
6 years.
And you don't have, if it's been in place for 6 years, you don't have the prior one?
They didn't send it to me yet.
In the whole entire 6 years, you've never had anything?
You know how our federal government works, so...
So what do you provide for documentation wherever you go? You only provide...
Yes, ma'am.
You should have been at least issued an identification card. Even if you don't have a driver's license, you should have a Florida ID.
No, because the identification card, again, abides by your rules, leaning ownership of my vehicles, of myself to you.
So this is really critical. You see that the driver gave a passport, which is a United States government ID, has nothing to do with the implied consent of getting a state driver license. Many times they'll have a driver license, but they'll turn them in, but they almost never will give them to an officer because that means they engage in a contract with the officer. So it's a word salad, but this is how they operate.
And I'm no longer a part of the corporation, so I'm exempt. So what we're doing here is illegal as far as me, because I no longer participate in the extortion of the police department.
The extortion portion is very, very important. It may sound funny to some people, but these people file court papers suing police departments and officers. And even if they're bogus lawsuits, extortion is often mentioned in the lawsuit, and these have to be answered to. And again, extortion is a crime. So in their mind, they're thinking that the officer is committing some type of crime.
Are you stating you're a sovereign citizen?
I'm not state national.
State national.
I'm not sovereign. I'm a state national.
Okay.
I'm a part of the Republic of the United States.
Okay.
No longer a part of the corporation.
Where do you reside at?
I reside in Naples, Florida.
Where exactly?
Here in Naples.
I know, but I need to know so I can issue you a citation. I need to know your address.
You don't have to issue me a citation.
We still have to follow the rules that everybody else follows.
No, ma'am, I do not. I do not. That's why I always get it excused.
You don't have any documentation on you stating that, so you're not exempt.
No, I am exempt. Believe me, you'll get a bond from me that goes directly towards you, that fines you for every minute that you're holding me here. There is no crime that's committed. You can only detain me if there's a crime committed.
Ma'am, you are legally have to follow
There's no injured party.
If you're
There's
operating
no injured
a
party,
motor
honey.
vehicle in Florida,
No.
you still have to follow the regulations.
No, I don't. See, you guys are extorting money from us. See, the problem is you're violating my Fourth Amendment right.
This is where it's going to get even more challenging for the officer as this progresses, because they're going to start citing case law that is completely off the rails. I'll help you out through it, though.
No, I'm actually not. No.
Yes, you are. I can go through it with you, doll.
Okay.
I have it all
You
here.
stand by for me. Sarge, do you have a minute?
Sure, go right ahead.
And now you hear the officer calling into the sergeant. I've received these calls from my officers, especially the new officers who haven't dealt with sovereigns before. So it's going to be really interesting to see if the sergeant handled it how I usually handled it.
Okay, so I'm on a traffic stop with a woman who's stating she's not a sovereign citizen, but she's a citizen And
Here's more documentation from the judge.
okay, can you repeat again what you just told me?
I'm a state national. I have the right to travel freely. I'm not encumbered by any of your laws or regulations.
Stating she doesn't have to have a driver's license. She can run the stop sign, do everything,
common law.
and that she travels through common law. And
If she fails to produce identification or a driver's license, she can be
I
arrested.
did produce my.
she gave me her passport, but she says she doesn't have a driver's license. She doesn't need a driver's license. She doesn't have one for 6
If
years.
she doesn't have a driver's license, just like anyone else, she can be arrested for not having a driver's license.
No state shall convert
Thanks,
my.
I'll send you back up.
It's
Okay,
a God-given right.
All right, bye.
You guys are extorting money from us. It's a God-given right. Murdoch versus Pennsylvania.
So frequently they quote that Murdoch versus Pennsylvania. I could tell she was going down that Murdoch versus Pennsylvania road. And officers, once they hear it, know it, and are able to understand what that law means, has nothing to do with traffic law.
It's a God-given right. We're the supreme law of
Ma'am,
the
do you have your
land.
registration for the vehicle?
I don't have registration with me now. I don't have to provide it. I am.
Ma'am, you do. You're driving a
No, ma'am.
vehicle
I am
on the road.
common law.
I
It is not a
understand your
privilege.
common
It's a
law.
right. It's a God-given right for me to be able to travel.
Ma'am, so you have no registration, no driver's
I
license?
have it. I just don't have it on me. I don't have to carry it. So
Well,
go ahead and call
in-
your supervisor
In the
here.
event, you get into an accident with somebody or somebody,
I have-
all these
I
documents have
have
to
it.
actually
I have insurance. There's no
That's
injured party here, honey.
Okay,
You
it
don't-
doesn't matter if there's no
Absolutely
injured party.
it does. That's when a crime is committed. That's the only time you can pull me.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
There's
you
an
need to-
injured party.
No,
You're
that's not how it
offering
works.
the contract is not accepted.
Stand by.
What's up?
She's sovereign.
Huh?
She's sovereign. She won't provide me with a driver's license. Her driver's license is expired in 2025. Registration is up to date, actually. I was just going to write her for expired driver's license. She has an expired driver's license. She can't drive. So somebody else is either going to have to come drive her car and it's an arrest right?
Yep.
Expired license makes complete sense. If they renew the license, that means they're buying into the contract or engaging in a contract with the government. Very, very common.
Okay, ma'am. I need you to turn your vehicle off for me.
What's the purpose?
Because your driver's license is actually expired, ma'am. You don't have
the
a
state of
valid
Florida
driver's
has turned
license.
my freedom to travel freely into
Ma'am,
a...
what I need you to do right now is turn your car off for me so we can get this situated.
What are we getting situated?
I'm trying to help you,
What are you trying to help me with?
ma'am.
I don't understand. What are you trying to help me with?
I've explained everything to you.
You haven't-
I've been very kind and helpful
I
to
can't
you.
go forward without my attorney.
Okay, that's fine. I
So
need
call
you to...
call your supervisor.
My partner is here with
I
me
need
right
your
now.
supervisor. Call your
Okay.
supervisor, please.
We can do that
And what
too.
is your badge number, please?
Ma'am, I'm trying to help you in the
You
best
have to-
way that
you
I
have to
can.
disclose your badge number.
And I have no problem doing
You
that.
have to disclose your badge number right now, according to Shapiro versus Thompson.
Okay, that's no problem, ma'am.
These are constitutional laws that have been put in place, ma'am. That's what I follow, the Constitution.
Shapiro versus Thompson, another one that they claim. Shapiro versus Thompson was 1969. Essentially, what that one was people moving from state to state were asking for welfare benefits, and states were saying you had to be here at least a year and stuff like that in order to get welfare benefits. Supreme Court said no. Has nothing to do with traffic law, has nothing to do with criminal law, but this is another one that you will see them quote right off of the little piece of paper that you'll see in their hand that they have in the car. Absolutely wrong.
The state of Florida has taken my right to travel freely in my private vehicle and turned it into a privilege, which is against my constitutional rights. I am not contracting with you.
Up until now was talk. That's about to change.
Okay.
My partner has been very kind with you.
I understand.
Listen,
Go ahead and get your supervisor.
Hear me out for a second, okay? I heard what you had to say. At this point, she has asked you to turn the vehicle off and step out of the vehicle.
I'm not
If you
stepping
listen to
out
me,
of my-
you are going to step out of the vehicle.
Why would I do that?
Because I asked you to.
You don't have any authority
I do.
over me.
I do.
No, you don't,
Yes, I do.
sir. You both are criminals.
No, you're going to
both
step
are-
out of the vehicle, or I'm going to make you get out of the vehicle.
I'm going to church.
No, you're going to get out of the vehicle right now. Nope.
Stop
Do
it.
not. Do not.
Stop it.
Do not.
Please, don't.
No.
Oh my
no,
God.
No. No.
Keith.
No. No.
Stop. Leave me alone.
Listen.
Oh my God, I'm going to church.
You are
Stop it. Leave me alone. Oh my God, are you crazy?
No. You're going to step out of the vehicle
Oh
right
my
now.
God. Wait, let me turn my vehicle
No.
off.
Do not grab me. No.
Stop.
Do not.
Stop
Do not.
it.
Grab this one.
I'm gonna lock up my car.
No.
I'm gonna
No.
lock up my car.
No.
Ma'am, we tried to help
Oh my
you.
God, Bert.
Step out.
Oh my
Step
God,
out.
let me
Step
put
out
my
now.
car in
Step
park.
out now.
out.
Step
Let
out
me
now.
put my car in
Step out
park.
now.
out.
Now.
Step out.
Now.
Oh, my car's
Step
gonna-
out.
Stay right there. Do not move.
Oh my God. Oh,
In custody. This is where the script runs out. Happens every time.
please lock
Step.
up my car.
No.
I want to lock up my car.
Okay, I'm gonna take care of it in a second.
Please let me go to church. Don't tighten them again. You don't have to tighten them that much, sir.
and they are loose.
Ow, you don't have to tighten it, sir.
I'm not tightening.
They have
You
to.
are. You're tightening
They
the
have to be
band.
clamped on. They're handcuffs.
Are you the supervisor?
I am the supervisor.
Okay, I need you to please get my purse and call my attorney.
Ma'am, I'm not calling your attorney.
Wait a minute.
I will. We will
You're
take
not-
care of your property.
You're going to have a seat right now.
Don't handle me like that.
You're gonna
kid.
sit down, please.
Stop it.
Sit down and put your legs in.
Don't tow my car. I'll
Thank you.
call my brother to come down.
Thank you.
Please don't tow my car.
Watch your legs.
Please don't tow my vehicle. Can I please call my brother?
No,
Why?
because it's getting towed.
Why? That's theft.
It's not.
Sir, you're stealing my car if you impound it. Sir, can I please secure my vehicle? Sir, let me secure my car, please. My purse and everything. How am I supposed to get out of jail?
It's getting towed.
What about my personal belongings?
They're going to be secured in the vehicle.
Sir, I've got money in that purse. Please don't do that to me.
What kind of money do you have?
I have over $2,000 in that purse. Please.
Okay. I can check with the supervisor and ask you if
Please let me have my purse so I can post bail.
She would like to bring her purse with her
I
to
was
jail.
just making sure I see a lot of lighters, so I just
Okay.
want to make sure
Okay,
there's
just
nothing
confirm.
in here that's not supposed to be in here before we bring it to the jail.
While you're doing that, I'm gonna type the jail intake. She can have her phone too. I will bring your purse and your phone for you.
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Can you please roll up my windows?
We will.
And I can't have the coat towed because it's on a security.
It's gonna get towed. There is nothing around that.
What if you f up my car?
It's not going to,
How do you know that?
because we notate any damage on it prior to the tow,
There is no damage on my car.
and there won't be any when you get it.
How do I get it?
You'll be advised on where it's gonna get towed to.
How long am I going to be in jail?
I can't answer that question. I don't know. That's not up to us.
Well, we need a magistrate here to tell me that right now.
You'll go before a judge when you get in.
Okay.
They often use magistrate as opposed to saying judge. And when you look at this whole situation, 2 officers and a sergeant tied up, the car gets towed, all the resources that are wasted on this adult human female who is disconnected from what the law is. The law is very clear. Another thing that I have to say, in policing we have a saying, if you catch them, you clean them. The initial officer, the female officer, being somewhat of a novice with the sovereign citizen and needing the backup that the sergeant sent over to the scene, it sometimes causes a little bit of a challenge, because if you catch them, you clean them, and someone else has to take the person into custody, sometimes it causes a little bit of, hey, did you really handle your call yourself? And again, this is just constructive criticism for the officer. And she was very, very polite and kind. If you know someone that is going to act in this manner, let them know that they're going to end up in jail. And there is no win utilizing these sovereign laws that I just basically kind of explained how they switch them around. If you like this kind of content, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might potentially fall into this trap. They won't win.